Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you encountered 2024-01 security update error, then watch this video to fix it. First thing we'll do is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. So we'll right click on the start button, go to settings, and then we will click on system, scroll down for troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters, and then click on the run button against the Windows Update Troubleshooter, and it should start working. You should no longer see this error again. The next thing we need to do is a disk cleanup. So we will look for disk cleanup, click on it, OK, and we need to make sure that all these boxes are checked, and we need to click on OK, delete files, and then once this is done, we will restart the computer and this error should no longer show up. But if it does, then the last option is to restart a few services. For that, we will go to the services, search for services, click on it, and first we will restart the or start the Windows Update service. So we will look for Windows Update. Okay, here it is. Right click on it and click on restart or start, and then once we restart that, we can also restart the background intelligent transfer service. Right click on it and click on restart or start, and then finally we can also look for the cryptographic service, cryptographic services. Here it is. Right click on it and then click on restart or start, and then you need to restart your computer by going to the start button and clicking on the power button and clicking on restart, and you should no longer see this error. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.